We are pleased to show you the 2023 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank-full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.